1, 2, 3. Can you move your entire body this way a little bit? Just, yeah. Don't change a thing. I love it. There's a slight tilt in your head and it just looks so perfect and beautiful. When I started this project, it was more about portraits and creating images and working with the community on image making. But now, 6 months later, it's really about conversations I get to have with people and amazing people I get to meet. Yes, that's it. That's so beautiful. So if you compare Anacostia to other areas in DC, there's been a lot of building, there is a lot of gentrification, people in poverty being pushed out of the neighborhoods because developers come in with projects that do not benefit the natives of the community. And I think it's important to document this community in this place and time.
That could be my great-great-great-great-great-grandfather. Right,
amazing.
right, amazing.